Hello guys, here I have a Samsung washing machine WW80T504DAEA, and today I will tell you a few actions what you should do if your washing machine stops. So at the start, plug the power cord into leaf electrical outlet. Check the fuse or reset the circuit breaker. Close the door and tap and hold the start button to start the washing machine. For your safety, the washing machine will be not tumble or spin unless the door is closed. Before the washing machine starts to fill, it will make a series of clicking noises to check the door lock and will do quick drain. There may be a pause or soak period in the cycle. Wait briefly and the washing machine may start. Make sure the mesh filter's water supply hose at the water taps is not clogged. If the washing machine not supplied with the sufficient power, the washing machine will temporarily not drain or spin. As soon as the washing machine regains sufficient power, it will be operate normally. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.